A very warm welcome to the Learning Home. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss how to add different header and footer at different pages in PDF. And in order to do the exercise, we will be using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. So let's get started. And prior to that, we have to bring the header and footer option here, which we are not able to see here. So for that one, what we are going to do, we are going to Tools tab and press this Edit PDF, and you will see header and footer option is here. So what we're going to do, we are going to press this small arrow icon and press Add. And I have saved two header and footer settings. So I'm going to use first one, author name. And in the author name setting, you will see the author name is there in the right footer, and that is all. And I'm going to add this on the even number of pages. So I'm going to keep selected all pages and press all pages, even pages only, and press OK. And just press OK one more time. So you will see on the even number of pages, you will see the author name is added, and the odd number of pages, there is nothing else there. So I'm going to add something on the odd pages as well. So I'm going to press Add one more time and press Add New, and I'm going to select Learning Home, and you can see on the left header there is a Learning Home, and on the bottom there is a page number which is here, and I'm going to put it on the odd pages and keep it selected all pages and then press OK. OK one more time, and you will see the odd pages, the Learning Home is there, page number is there, and on the even pages there is a author name only. So same can be done for through all the pages, and which you can see over here. So with this, we have came to an end of the discussion, and hope it has given an idea about how to add different header and footer at different pages using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC.